Hi, Year 12. I hope your EE writing day at home has gone well. I'm just contacting you with information about how Monday is going to work. So when you come into school, and we're very much looking forward to seeing all of you, you are going to head to a specific room. Quite a lot of people, their supervisor couldn't have them working in the back of their classrooms because either there wasn't enough space or it wasn't going to work with the lessons they were delivering online. So for some of you, you are based permanently for the day in either G&A, the library, or D901. And if you look through the lists, you will be able to see, your name and the room that you're working in. So you just need to find yourself on that list. And that's pretty straightforward. So when you arrive in school, you make sure that you are heading straight to this room, no wandering around anywhere. Find yourself a desk, and then that's where you'll be working for that day. For some of you, your supervisors actually wanted you to work in their rooms with them, just so that you could have a chat throughout the day. But because all the roomings have had to change and so on, rather than have you trying to randomly find your supervisor first thing on Monday morning, I've allocated you a specific room for period 1. So all of these students here, for example, will go to A703 when they arrive in school. All of these students will go to D601. These students will go to D1008. And then these students are in various science labs. The scientists that have been in today, you will know where you are. You're heading to the same spaces. And the only one that might be slightly strange is some IBCP students. I've also asked you to register in the physics lab. It's purely a space thing. It's just because we had space for extra students in there. So you will go to B905 to register. And then, as it says here, your supervisor will have contacted you either over the weekend or on Monday morning, and they will say to you, hi, I'm going to be working in room X for period 1. And as soon as you've registered in that room and you've checked and you know where your supervisor is going to be, you can start heading off towards your supervisor. I've said here you'll head off at 8:50 because I figure by the time we get in, get settled, it's just going to take a little bit of time to get organised. But pretty much as soon as you know where your supervisor is going to be and they're happy to have you, you can head off to wherever that teacher is, and you'll kind of just follow your supervisor around the school for that day if they need to move between lessons. So it should be pretty straightforward. We want to maximise the use of the day. So you are going to be coming in, you are going to be working in a focused manner. There will be staff available to sort of supervise, just general supervision, who might be able to answer a few questions, and then you can check in with your actual supervisor through the day. You will not be allowed to wander around school to find them. So you are either in this group of people who are going to their registration room and then going to their supervisor during period 1, and then they're staying with their supervisor, or you're in the group of people that is staying in D901, the library, and the G&A, and your supervisor will come to you, and then you can go from there about when and where to work, but you must not wander off to find your supervisor through the day. Okay, I think that's everything you need to know. I hope I will share this spreadsheet as well.